Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your favorite boy, XFPK, back again with another one. Guys, you know, one thing about this particular topic that we're about to talk about today is that it has been springing around the market ever since. People have been talking about, oh, profit, life accounts, which one can I do? Oh, profit can give me bigger money. Oh, life accounts can do this, life account can do that. See, let me tell you guys something. People are different in this market. People are different in this market. There are some people that will do profit and never succeed, and that is fact. There are some people that will do profit and never succeed, and there are some people that will do life accounts and not succeed at actually growing a life account or succeed when they are doing a profit. And those people not succeeding in a profit can come to the life account stage and succeed. Let me tell you something. You see, when it comes to trading profit, I know people will say, oh, if you are skilled enough to grow an account on a life account, you should be skilled enough to grow an account on profit or pass the challenge phase and do this and do that. Let me tell you something. Look, some people might be skilled, very skilled on a life account, trade well on a life account, make good money on a life account, and get to the profit and fuck up. It happens like that. Not everybody can follow rules. You understand? Not everybody can follow the rules of a profit. Some people some people are flippers. Let me put it like that. Some people are flippers. They can flip $50 to 500, $1,000. They can flip 1K to 10K. For example, people like King Mans now. King Mans is one of the popular people I know that flip well in Nigeria right now. He's one of the hot guys flipping in the forex industry in Nigeria. King Mans. He flips a lot. I'm not saying King Mans doesn't trade profit that much, but I don't really see him trading profit that much because his flip is so successful that he doesn't really need to trade profit that much. But later on, he might start trading profit. But there are some people also that in Nigeria that trade profit. You understand? They trade profit and they make good money on trading profit. So I'm not going to come here and discriminate against one and then say the other one is better, because if you are the kind of person that is more disciplined, more reserved, and you know how to follow the rules of proprietary firm, you can make good money. But it's not everybody that can follow that rule. You understand? Some people don't like taking those challenges. You understand? Some people don't like passing through phase one and passing through phase two and then getting funded and trying to make money. Some people just like quick, fast, and easy actions that they can just take. For every single trade they are taking, they just want to flip their money. Some people are good at that also. So if you're asking me which one do you want to go for between a prop firm and a life account, if you are skilled enough and you know you can follow the rules and you know that the rules of prop firm is not something that will disturb you, you can actually go for a profit. If you are the kind of person that knows that, oh, I like flipping accounts, oh, I like when I deposit $50, I want to flip it to 500. I want to. People do that for a living. You understand? People flip accounts for a living, and people also trade profit for a living, and some people also trade both for a living. For example, I trade profit and I also flip accounts. I also trade accounts, flipping small accounts to big accounts, or not actually big accounts, big accounts or this thing, but flipping 10x flipping, 20x flipping. You understand what I mean by 10x and 20x flipping? I also do that too as I trade profit. So I'm not going to say one is better than the other. But if you are talking about having a large capital and getting a large capital to trade, it will be proprietary firm. You understand? But for you to get that large capital on a proprietary firm, you need to spend a lot of money, because there's no guarantee that you will buy a prop firm today and then tomorrow you are passing it. Or it might take you a month, it might take you it might take you 2 months to pass phase one and phase two of a proprietary firm account. And if you are the more risky type of trader and you like going, you be Rambo, you know, understand? You are Rambo, you are Van Damme, you like shooting, you like boom, 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 going fast. You might pass phase one and phase two in 2 weeks or within a month and get funded on a big account like 50K, 100K, get funded on it, and you have a big account to trade off. And there are some people that rather than them get funded 100K, 200K, they just deposit $1,000, deposit $500, and try to flip it. There are flippers like that too. Both are successful in their field. So you need to look at yourself. For you to decide which one you want to go for, you need to look at yourself, the kind of trader you are. Are you the kind of trader that will be able to follow rules? Are you the kind of trader that will be contented to your trade, or more disciplined to your trading ways, that when you are following the rules of profit, you don't break their rules and you are careful enough to trade? You can trade the profit. And if you know that you are the one that is a Rambo and you like pew 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 pew, you like shooting, you like moving fast, and you are a flipper, continue flipping. Everything is all good in this market. I cannot say profit trading is better than trading your life accounts. That is just the truth. And I cannot say trading your life accounts is better than trading prop firm. Both of them are good ways to trade. People are making it from flipping. People are making it from trading live accounts. People are making it from prop firm. People are making different kind of payouts from different prop firms. Everything is a good way to make money from the market. You just need to decide the kind of person you are. Are you a flipper? Are you a prop firm trader? Or are you both? If you are both, trade both. If you are a live account trader, trade live accounts. And if you are a prop firm trader, trade prop firm accounts. Well, talking about trading and talking about signals and doing all the other thing and learning about trading, I actually have a Telegram group where I post my trades and I show what I do in the market. You can actually learn from it. It's not by force to join. It's actually free. You can join. It's not going to cost you anything. You can just click on the link on my description and join my Telegram group. I just opened it not too long ago, but you can join and just support your guy and just learn more things on the Telegram group. Just few things that you just need, that you might just need in the market. I post some trades and you might take it with me sometimes and actually make that little bit of profit or loss. You cannot prevent it in the market. Remember that I told you. But my Telegram group is there for you. It's your favorite boy XFPK signing out.